Hello everyone and welcome back to the Success Coach. Today we're going to be doing pronoun persons. Here's our first question. Which pronoun makes the most sense in this sentence? I was so thrilled by the ballet performance that blank decided to take up dancing. Is it that she decided to take up dancing? Is it that you decided to take up dancing? Or is it that I decided to take up dancing? So we can see by the pronoun in the beginning, the first pronoun used is I, which gives us a hint that it might be this answer. Although, it could be any of these answers, really. It could be this answer, it could be this answer, or it could be this. But which one makes the most sense? I believe it is number C. Which pronoun makes the most sense in this sentence? When you go on a trip, blank should pack plenty of layers. When you go on a trip, this is another pronoun. When you go on a trip, we have to make sure that the pronouns match. So it would be you again. Which pronoun makes the most sense in this sentence? Cleo and Harry are a great team because blank always stick together. So in this sentence, there is no other pronoun, so we can match. But we know that Cleo and Harry must be two people. This is Cleo and this is Harry. This is two people. And in English, when you're counting for two or more things, you usually make a plural. So, two things would be, so instead of saying he, plural of he is they. So instead of Cleo and Harry are a great team because he always sticks together, that's wrong, because they always stick together. Paul was so tired he could barely keep his eyes open. So Paul is a male name, so we know, and right here there's also another hint of a pronoun. Paul was so tired he could barely keep blank eyes open. He could barely keep his eyes open. This is the correct answer. Anyway, guys, that is all what we have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell to get more videos like this. Bye! We'll see you on the next episode!